In the Declaration of Independence, Thomas Jefferson wrote in the first paragraph about the laws of nature and nature's God. Now, you might ask yourself, what is the laws of nature? And is that even important? What is the natural law? Well, the natural law is a classical concept, and it says that the universe is run under a set of laws. In other words, there's mechanics behind the whole universe, and the universe works according to those laws. The whole concept of gravity would be a law that you might be familiar with, and there are a number of other laws of how the universe works. When Thomas Jefferson was talking about the natural law, he was talking about the natural law specifically that applies to human beings and how they conduct themselves and how to form a government based on those laws. Now, according to St. Thomas Aquinas, the Ten Commandments are essentially the natural law. Now, if you've ever read the Ten Commandments, they're very general. How to specifically interpret any of those commandments to any specific situation has been an issue. But in modern Western civilization, the Ten Commandments are considered the basic natural law. Now, Adam Smith produced a book called The Wealth of Nations about the time the United States was formed. He also had another book called The Theory of Moral Sentiments. And the basic premise of the theory of moral sentiments is that if you put in place the natural law and base your laws in your society on the natural law, then you will have a successful society. And he based this on viewing various societies that have existed, what their laws were, what they were based on, and which ones were successful. Should murder be illegal? Well, you look at the natural law. The commandment is, you will not kill, right? That is the commandment. Or actually, a better translation of that would be, you will not murder, because there are exceptions. Specifically, you may kill for self-defense, defense of another, or defense of your country. But essentially, you will not kill. So, you pass a law that says you will not murder. So that law that you have passed is based on the natural law. And that's how the natural law works. Now, on the other hand, if you base laws that are not based on the natural law, your society will begin to crumble and fall apart. The first reason is because people are going to feel that the law that you have passed, which is not based on the natural law, is somehow wrong or immoral or not fair. And therefore, they will lose respect for the law. The second reason is that because if you're not basing things on the natural law, what are you basing them on? Basically, you're basing them on the opinion of whoever is passing the laws. And then there is no substance to the law. It just meanders all over the place. There are so many laws that nobody can follow them anymore, and again, your society falls apart. So that is why the natural law